Good morning to all. Dear student, in our previous video we had completed the measurement of length. Okay. Now in this video we will discuss about device for measuring length. First topic is device for measuring length. So generally we use meter ruler, measuring tape. Okay. So what is the meter ruler? So first one, use of meter ruler to measure length. We use a wooden ruler to measure the length. It is a 1 meter long and it's divided into 100 equal parts like that. See, it's a meter ruler and from here till 1, it's a 1 centimeter. Okay, it's a 1 centimeter. Okay. Now next is a measurement of length of an object with a meter ruler. So to measure the length of an object with a meter ruler, the ruler is placed with its marking close to the object. Then the zero mark on the ruler is made to coincide with one end to the object. Now the position of the other end of the object is read on the ruler. This reading gives the length of the object, but our ruler has some thickness. So while looking at the reading on the scale, we get different reading when the eye is kept different position. This is called error of parallax. To avoid it, the correct reading is obtained when the eye is kept in front of and in line with the reading to be taken. Like we measure, here is a one line. Okay, so we measure the length of this line. So we put our meter ruler here and measure the length like 3 centimeter, 4 inch. Okay. Okay. Next is use of measuring tape to measure length, same as the meter ruler. Okay, measurement with the measuring tape to measure the length of a curved line. The tape is spread along the length of the curved line as shown like a figure. The end of the line A and B are read on the tape. The difference of these reading gives the length of the curved line. Okay, same as in figure. We use the measuring tape like that. Okay, and we use measuring tape for measure the length of human person, measure the lengthy things length. Okay, now our next topic is measurement of mass. So first thing is, what is the mass? So the mass of a body is quantity of matter contained in it. And what is the unit of mass? The SI unit of mass is kilogram, and in short written as kg. We already discussed in our previous videos. Okay, now the multiple and submultiple unit of mass. So the bigger unit of mass is quintal, and the smallest the still bigger unit of mass is metric ton. Okay, now remember the bigger unit of mass is quintal and the still bigger unit is metric ton. Okay, and the still smaller unit of mass is milligram, mg, and 1 gram equal to 1000 mg, and 1 mg equal to 1 upon 1000 gram. Okay, now next point is relationship between gram, kilogram and pound. So we know that 1 kg equal to 1 upon 1000 gram. we write here 10 the power minus 3 kg. Okay. Now next topic is device for measuring mass. First is for measuring the mass of a body, we generally use the following two balances. First is the beam balance and the second is the electronic balance. Okay. So firstly we will discuss about the beam balance. So use of beam balance to measure the mass of a body. Show in figure like that. It is some standard weight used to measure mass. And this picture is beam balance. Okay. Now firstly this one is the pointer of beam balance and this one is the support to hold the balance, and this one left pan and this one is right pan. Okay. So what is the beam balance? The beam balance has support just at its middle, having a pointer. Two identical pans are suspended at the end of the beam by means of a string of equal length. Each pan is at the same horizontal distance from the support, that is the length of beam of each pan from the support is equal to the balance can be held by the supports. Okay. Now that talking about the weights of beam balance. So firstly, to measure the mass of an object, standard weight are used. Standard weight like that 20 kg, 10 kg, 5 kg, 2 kg and 1 kg. And what is the smaller weights? 500 gram, 200 gram, 100 gram, 50 gram, 20 gram, 10 gram or 5 gram. Okay. Yes. Now for measuring the beam balance is first held holding up the balance. It is ensured that when there is nothing on either pan, the beam is horizontal. The body whose mass is to be measured is placed on the left pan. Means जिस बॉडी का हमको मास फाइंड आउट करना है उसको हम किस में रखेंगे, कौन से वाले पैन में रखेंगे, उसको हम लेफ्ट पैन में रखेंगे. ओके. और जो वेट्स हैं वो हम किस में रखेंगे, पुट द वेट्स ऑन राइट पैन. ओके. दिस इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ द measuring the weights by a beam balance. Okay, and the rest of the part we will discuss about in our next video. Thank you.